Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Mahato. I am basically from West Bengal and currently living in Hyderabad. I have completed my PhD in chemistry from University of North Bengal, West Bengal in 2024. And afterwards, I have joined Rainbow Pharma Training Institute for getting good acquaintance with the pharma industry and how things works in this industry. So after spending like a few months, 3 months here, I have gathered a lot of knowledge starting from the ABC of pharmaceutical industry to the advanced level of it. In this month, what I have handled, the instrument I have handled is Hplc, gas chromatography, dissolution, and the other instruments like balance, friability tester, disintegration time analysis, and water content analysis I have also done. So what I'm trying to say is, if you people are thinking to join in this institute, and if you are considering factors like distance from your hometown, just give up on that thought and please do join in this institute. It will be worth it and it will boost up your career in pharmaceutical industry. Thank you, and thank you to the Rainbow Pharma Training Labs for providing such beautiful course.